Zinc supplements for your body. Zinc supplements provide a much-needed mineral that is needed by each and every cell in your body. The body is unable to produce zinc on its own, which is why we need to make sure we eat enough food that contains the mineral, drink enough water, or use the proper supplements that will give our cells the zinc they need. Zinc is very important, as it plays a crucial role with hundreds of processes in the human body. The most prominent functions include support of the immune system, joints, tissues, along with aiding in cell growth. Zinc supplements have also been proven to eliminate sexual dysfunction, boost sexual function, aid in the health of the hair, and help with skin wound healing. No matter how you look at it, zinc plays an important role in the function of most of our senses, which includes the ability to taste, smell, and also sight. Research has indicated that zinc can counter vision loss in the event of macular degeneration. A deficiency of zinc, on the other hand, can lead to dulling of the taste buds, along with the ability to detect scent. Watch the video to learn more. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Although zinc is an essential vitamin for our bodies, taking too much of it can be a bad thing. Research has proven that taking more than 100 milligrams daily for an extended period can cause damage in the immune system. Older folks, on the other hand, can benefit from taking zinc if they have a deficiency. The supplement can actually help older people bring their intake back up to the levels they should be at. When taking zinc supplements, you should always remember that zinc can indeed interfere with your absorption of copper. For this reason, a lot of experts recommend that they should be taken together. Anyone who takes a zinc supplement should take it as part of a well-balanced diet, to ensure that other vitamins and minerals work together with the zinc. With most dietary supplements in the US being unregulated, you should always choose a manufacturer who is GMP compliant. Manufacturers that are GMP compliant will always follow the manufacturing standards of zinc, in order to minimize and quite possibly eliminate the risk of contaminants that you could be getting from the supplement. If you choose your supplement wisely, you shouldn't have to worry about any problems. You can buy zinc supplements at GNC, online, or other nutrition stores. It isn't expensive either, which makes it a welcome addition to your diet. You should always consult with your doctor if you suspect that you have a zinc deficiency, so that he or she can tell you exactly how much zinc you need on a daily basis. This way, if you aren't getting enough in your normal diet, you can get the supplements you need. Thank you for your time. Don't forget hit the subscribe button.